Welcome. Today let's talk about Nmap, the essential tool for network discovery. Nmap is a free, open-source scanner used to find devices and open ports on any network. Think of it as a map for your network, showing what's connected and where. Ready to see how it works? Let's dive in. Let's look at a few basic commands. But first, make sure you're using Nmap in a controlled environment, like your home network or a lab setup. Never scan networks you don't own or have permission to analyze. That can get you into serious legal trouble. The basic command is nmap 192.168.1.1. This command scans a specific IP address for open ports. You'll see which services are running and where devices are listening for connections. To scan a range of devices, use nmap 192.168.1.1 50. Want to scan multiple devices on your home network? Just add a range. For service detection type, nmap SV 192.168.1.1. This tells you what services are running on open ports, like a web server or FTP. For OS detection, use nmap O192.168.1.1. This tries to figure out what operating system the device is using, super helpful for identifying potential risks. Okay, this part is super important. Using Nmap without permission is like trying to pick the lock on someone's door. It's illegal, unethical, and can land you in hot water. Only scan networks you own, have written permission to test, or use for learning in labs like TryHackMe, Hack the Box, or local virtual machines. Pro tip, use a VPN and a sandboxed virtual machine for added safety when learning. Learning tools like Nmap is powerful, but remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Stay safe by respecting privacy, following ethical hacking guidelines, and always asking for permission before scanning. Becoming a cybersecurity expert starts with integrity and knowledge, and that's what sets the pros apart from the hackers. If you want to learn more, check out free resources like Nmap's official documentation, cybersecurity courses on platforms like TryHackMe, Codecademy, and Cybrary, and join ethical hacking communities on Reddit or Discord. That's it for today's video. Drop a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on ethical hacking and cybersecurity. Stay safe, stay curious, and hack the right way.